everybody. So today I'm going to talk about perfection and why it's not a good idea to pursue, especially in business. Number one reason is it's very time consuming. So at the beginning stages, even as an expert in entrepreneurship, you cannot get everything at once. Sometimes you're just gonna have to test. In most cases, it's not gonna be perfect. It can be shooting a video, it could be photography. I mean, look at my backdrop right now. It's not perfect, but you know what? Every day or every week, I'm trying to iron out my backdrop so it can get better and better. I'm not waiting weeks and months to get it perfect because I don't have the time. Also, another thing is there are a lot of things I upload on social media and I usually ask myself, is it worth uploading? I upload it anyway because I think about my subscribers and followers, and they need that kind of information so they can pass on to their subscribers and followers. Another reason is people tend to miss the big picture. They tend to miss out what is important. So instead of getting everything perfect, maybe you just need to get a certain part of it, not perfect, but you have to get it going. Then you can perfect it later. Another reason is it causes more stress. Entrepreneurship is stressful as it is, and trying to become perfect or maintain that perfection is going to make it worse. So if you have this big problem with perfectionism, I suggest you talk to someone and explain why you want to be perfect in the first place. And maybe they can help you get out of that. And the last point is, unfortunately, people will still criticize you regardless of whether you're super perfect or not perfect at all. In other words, you can never please people. You just have to do the best you can. All right, so those are my reasons for why perfection is not the way. If you have any questions or concerns, please respond below and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.